狐狸的笑声您听过吗？很难想象，这宛如小 baby 般纯真笑声，竟是来自狐狸。美国明尼苏达州一个狐狸救援组织 Save a Fox 最近释出这段影片，引发热议。更有网友评论
：“They are basically giant squeaky toys. OMG, Dixie's laugh is so adorbs.
Hi, Dixie.
尤其被组织创办人搔痒，萌萌小狐狸们会笑得更加夸张。救援组织甚至录下他们充满感染力的魔性笑声。制成绒毛玩偶贩售，不仅一上架就抢购一空，还大卖超过1000只，甚至还掀起饲养风潮。
It takes a pretty special person in the right circumstance and location to actually be able to adopt a fox from us.
不过，救援组织也呼吁不建议一般民众饲养，还强调人保有野性的狐狸饲养起来很不容易，家中不但要有院子。
If there's any soft furniture or blankets, it'll get destroyed. Stuff is going to get wrecked, most likely.
还得小心家具遭受破坏。
We don't want people to get a misconception that they're just laughing, funny dogs, because that's not the case at all.
尽管眼前一只狐狸看似温驯可爱到让人想抱抱它，但就算如此，面对看似萌萌的小狐狸，大部分人们还是远观比较好。三立新闻李凌涵报道。